Let's look at the words which we use in IELTS without a space in between. Bookshop, bookstall, backpack, backup, bathroom, bedroom, bicycle, brainstorm, breakthrough, breathtaking, careful, carriageway, checkbook, childhood, classroom, copyright, countryside, cupboard, deadline, doorbell, drawback, floodlight, football, footstep, footwear, fortnight, fulfill, grandfather, headache, headlight, headline, homesick, household, housewife, outline, international, intersection, leftover, letterbox, lifestyle, lighthouse, lightweight, megabyte, microclimate, mindful, milestone, multinationals, newsletter, newspaper, outdoor, oversee, oversell, overstuffed, overstock, photographs, powerful, seaweed, shopkeeper, showroom, sightseeing, silkworm, skillful, spotlight, sunbathe, sunburn, sunlight, supercooling, supernatural, superpower, teacup, teamwork, thunderstorms, undersea, undervalue, weekdays, widespread, withdraw, website. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.